Hello everyone. So it really did feel like spring had come last week. We were sitting at 17, 18 degrees here and it was so nice and warm, t-shirt weather. And then this week it's snowing and we're back to scarves and hats and gloves. So as much as I love that and I can't wait for the warm weather to come, we're just gonna have to stay cozy inside for a little bit longer. I have a custom design to do, so I need to turn this into a hand-burned mushroom hat, which is our second most popular hat in the shop, and it's orange, which is the most popular one of that design. So I have that to do this week, as well as I've got some new designs drawn up. I've just got to finish a couple of bits, which I will show you in a bit, as well as there's a new way of doing things around here, but I'm going to save that for another video. But let's get this hat done and then we will talk about new designs. I also have a drop happening on the 27th of this month at 6 p.m. so I also need to get that ready. So let's get started, we're busy. As much as I love running my own business, the bit that I don't like is when I have to dress up and put makeup on and do my hair and go outside and be my own model. Now I know lots of people love that, but I don't have very nice skin for makeup and I don't like the way it feels, but I feel like I need to put makeup on to take photos and video footage. you know, it's just how it is. But it's like the one thing I don't like about running my small business is I can't pay somebody to be my model, and then I could just take the photos. Not that I'm very good at taking photos either, but you know, it just adds that one little thing that takes me forever to do. Finding the outfit, putting makeup on, eyelashes, eyebrows, setting up the camera and everything outside. If it's wet, the grass will be absolutely soaking, and I'm just not one of those people that ever fancied being a model. But you gotta do what you gotta do when you're a small business owner. Okay, as promised, I will show you guys, or give you a little sneak peek of some new designs that are coming up. So, let me get into here. We have mushrooms. The underneath of mushrooms, lovely, love it. Can't wait to make one of these for myself. And I think what I will do is offer it to be on the top or the bottom or both, because it's such a cool design. I can't wait to do it. I absolutely love mushrooms. And of course, a beautiful snake design, which I kind of also want one of these as well for myself. Absolutely love it. This is my snake sun and moon design. It doesn't have a name. It just is what it is. And I was toying about with another one, but I'm not 100% sure if I like this one or not. You guys maybe tell me, what's your favorite? Is the arrows. It's nice. I'm not sure it's quite there, but it is nice. So let me know in the comments, what do you think? Mushrooms, snakes, or arrows? I'm torn between the mushrooms and the snake. I don't think I can pick. So yeah, that will be coming up in the video in 2 weeks' time. That's what we're aiming for. So I cannot wait to show you guys that. Let me know what you think in the comments, because, you know, I love chatting to you guys. You're my buds. So thank you as always for coming and hanging out. I really appreciate every single one of you. And if you would like to learn how to burn hats, I have an ebook or ebooks, and the QR code for that will be coming up next. So thanks everyone for coming and hanging out, and I'll see you next time.